In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all of our Microsoft Loop components. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with Microsoft Loop, this guide will help you locate and access those essential components seamlessly. Let's dive in by heading over to your web browser and visiting onedrive.live.com. This site is your go-to for accessing all your files saved on OneDrive, including Microsoft Loop components. Once you're there, find the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Enter iFluid into the search field. This specific file extension denotes Microsoft Loop components, so using this search will filter out your entire files list to display only these components. If you have a Microsoft Loop folder set up on your OneDrive, you can alternatively navigate directly into that folder. It's a handy way to organize and access your Loop components if you frequently work with them. Once you've identified the .fluid files, all that's left to do is click on any of them. This will open the relevant Loop component, allowing you to view or edit it directly within the familiar Loop interface. It's a simple process that's designed to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Loop components are often shared across different Microsoft apps like Teams and Outlook, and troubleshooting how and where to find these can sometimes seem challenging. In Teams, begin by opening the chat or channel where you remember the component being shared. Scroll through the conversation to locate the Loop component card. Alternatively, you can use the search bar located within Teams, pairing relevant keywords to pinpoint the component quickly. Switching over to Outlook, you'll want to check your sent or received emails folder. Embedded components are easily recognizable. They'll be sitting right within the body of the email. This feature allows you and your colleagues to integrate Loop components seamlessly within your email communications, making collaboration more dynamic and interactive. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have made your way through various convenient methods to locate Loop components, ensuring they're always at your fingertips no matter where in the Microsoft ecosystem they might be stored or shared. With these techniques and tips at your disposal, navigating and utilizing Microsoft Loop components becomes far simpler, bolstering your productivity and enhancing collaboration across the board. So there you have it. I hope this guide helps you effortlessly integrate and manage your Loop components. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.